Hello, how are you? Let us start our class with a prayer. Close your eyes, join your hands. God, my Father, help me to understand my lessons well. Help me to obey my parents and elders. God, keep me, my parents, my friends, and all safe in your hands. Yesterday we started our third lesson, isn't it? Teeth and microbes. And we learned there are 4 kinds of teeth. Which are they? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay. Then they have different functions also. Then next, see, premolars and molars are well developed in plant-eating animals and help them chew and grind their food well. These all we learned yesterday. Then next, no more. There is a box is given. Out of total 12 molars, 8 grow first, 2 on each side of premolars and 4 grow later. These last molars are also known as wisdom teeth. Maybe at the age of 32 or 35. That after 30 only you are getting wisdom teeth. 30 വയസ്സൊക്കെ കഴിയുമ്പോഴാണ് വിസ്ഡം ടീത്ത് വളരുന്നത്. ഏറ്റവും ലാസ്റ്റ് ഉള്ള ടീത്ത് വളരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. Then, so in an adult, out of 32 teeth, there are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars. So here it is given a table. All of you try this table and find out the number of incisors and find the total. Then you have to get here 32. Yesterday I did this. Today you try this. Then today we are learning parts of a tooth. What we are learning? Parts of a tooth. All of you look at the board. I have drawn the structure of a tooth. And see this white part which we can see outside, that is called crown. What it is called? Crown. Okay. When we open our mouth and look in the mirror, we can see our teeth. And see, here you can see the soft red gum. G-U-M, gum. Here it is smart gum. Okay. And the soft gums hold our teeth tightly in the place. See, this is the gum. This is the gum. In Malayalam we are telling mona, red color la fleshy part. This part is our gum, and the teeth is fixed in that gum, and this white part is called gum, and the part which is inside the gum is called root. Understood? Inside the gum is called root. So crown we can see outside, and inside the gum this part is called root of a tooth. Okay, this is the outer structure of a tooth. Then let us see what is inside. And first this tooth is divided into crown and root. Crown we can see outside, root inside the gum. Understood? Root inside the gum. This is the gum. Okay, gum. In Malayalam we are telling mona. Then the part of the tooth that we see is crown, and the part inside the gum is root, which cannot see. The part of the tooth which we can see above the gum, outside the gum crown, and inside the gum root. Understood? So now we learned 2 parts. Which are they? Crown and root. Then next, the outside white covering of the tooth is called enamel. This is this outside white covering of the tooth is called what? Enamel. This outside covering of the tooth is called enamel. Okay, enamel. And after enamel, here you can see a layer, and see that is called dentine. Dentine, which it is dentine. So after enamel, the layer inside the enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth is called dentine, and this enamel is the hardest part in the human body. Enamel is the hardest part in the human body, hardest material in the human body, and the layer inside the enamel is called dentine, which form a hardest part called dentine. Okay, so the part which we can see, the outside the gum is called crown, inside the gum is called root, and the white hardest part which we can see outside, that is called enamel. And this enamel is the hardest material in the human body. Which is the hardest material in the human body? Say all of you, enamel. Say enamel. And see, after enamel you can see a layer called dentine, that also hard. So dentine, and the layer inside the enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth is called dentine. And inside the dentine you can see the next layer, which I have drawn with green color, and this is the soft part of a tooth. Okay, this is the soft part of a tooth, and it has blood vessels and nerves. I have drawn nerves and blood vessels here. Okay, so this is the soft part of the tooth, which is called pulp. So outer we can see enamel, that is white in color, and after enamel there is a hard layer called dentine, and after dentine you can see a soft part called pulp, in which we can see what? Nerves and blood vessels. We can see this nerves and blood vessels. Okay, so these are the parts of a tooth. Okay, today all of you learn this. And once more listen. Each tooth has how many parts? 2 parts. Which are they? Crown and root. Crown we can see outside, and root is inside the gum. And see, the white part, outer covering of a teeth is called enamel, and which is the hardest material in the human body. And after enamel you can see a layer called dentine, which forms the most hard part of the tooth. And after dentine you can see another layer called pulp, which is very soft, and it has nerves and blood vessels. Okay, nerves and blood vessels, and the teeth is held inside the gum. Okay, inside the gum. This is the structure of a tooth. You have to draw this picture, and you have to learn this today itself. Okay, the next, tooth decay. Tooth decay, പല്ല് കേടാകൽ നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉള്ളതാ അല്ലേ, tooth decay. And see, when we eat, small bits of food may stick between our teeth, and when we do not brush our teeth properly, this stuck food rots and our teeth get covered with a thin sticky layer of germs called plaque. Thin sticky layer will form over our teeth. That is a layer of germs that from the bits of food. First food decay starts to decay, and a layer of germs forming on the teeth, and that is called plaque. That is called plaque. And this plaque reacts with the sugar present in the food to produce acid which affects the tooth enamel and starts decaying it. This is called tooth decay. And this plaque acting with what? Sugar, and forms a special type of acid. If acid is formed, that decay our tooth, and that is tooth decay. It causes holes or cavities in the enamel and dentine, and it forms cavities, and we will get what? Toothache. പല്ലുവേദന തുടങ്ങും. As a result, the nerves and the blood vessels in the pulp get exposed outside. If there is a cavity inside soft part, it has nerves and blood vessels that get contact to outside. Then, when any cold or hot things comes in contact with these exposed nerves, we get a toothache. And see no more. We should eat salads and fruits as they give a lot of exercise to our gums. They also improve the blood flow inside them. And if you are chewing raw fruits and vegetables like this, it gives exercise to your gum. It helps the flow of blood inside the gum. Okay. So all of you eat lots of fruits and vegetables for the health of your teeth. Okay, so today all of you study this structure and see. Thus, tooth decay causes the following. After tooth decay, what are the results? Toothache, pallu vedana, loss of teeth, pallu nashtapadal, holes or cavities in the teeth, stomach disorders, foul smell from the mouth, bleeding gums. ചിലരുടെ മോണേന്നൊക്കെ ബ്ലഡ് വരാറുണ്ട് അല്ലെ, ഗമ്മിന്ന് ബ്ലഡ് വരാറുണ്ട്. ഇതെല്ലാം എന്താണ്? പല്ല് ചീത്തയാകുന്നതിന്റെ ലക്ഷണങ്ങളാണ്. Then multiple choice questions are given. Molars are also called tearing teeth, cutting teeth, grinding teeth. What it is called? Molars. Last one called what? Molars called grinding teeth. All of you mark grinding teeth. The center of each tooth is called dentine, pulp, crown. The center is called what? Pulp. Soft part is called pulp. All of you mark this. So today we learned the structure of a tooth. Outside two parts, crown, root, and the outer white covering called enamel. This is the hardest part in the human body. After enamel, there is a hard layer called dentine, and after dentine we can see a soft part called pulp, and in the pulp what are present? Blood vessels and nerves are present. Today all of you read, and from the text itself easily you can learn the structure of tooth and take a rough note and learn to draw and mark the parts of a tooth today itself. Okay.